Okay, so ayan. Nag-microphone ako kasi ang lakas ng alon, malamang hindi natin maririnig yung audio nito kung hindi ako gagamit ng microphone. Ayan, so today we are going to do a mother and daughter what's in my bag, what's in my beach bag. So we're supposed to swim sana earlier kasi maganda yung panahon, maaraw, pero grabe ang lakas ng alon. Ayan, so ang dami ko introduction na. So with me here is my daughter, Princess.
Ano yan? Hello?
So ayan, we will start with our tumbler. Yan muna yung, sige Princess, pakita mo yung tumbler mo. Ayan.
Name ko.
Ayan, may pangalan daw, yan. So obviously, our favorite color is obviously very obvious na redundant. Okay, so tumbler ang first thing na nandito sa bag. And of course, yung cellphone na ginagamit ko for filming and then yung tripod. Of course, it's inside my bag. And then itong microphone ko. So yan, sige. Unahin mo na lang. Kay Princess muna. Ikaw muna siguro. Ay, isang bagsakan na.
So, ayan. Starting is headphones. Wala lang, aura lang sa beach. And book. Before the coffee gets cold. So, ayan. Ito pa yung calling card ng tato. Saan dyan? Brush. Digicam. And ay, sumali. Fan. Kay mami to actually. Lippy. Baka mag-good. Ay! Alam, baka maano yung... Pagpaganda lang kami.
Maingay ito, no? Pag ginanyan ko. Kaya mo na.
Fun lang. Alcohol. Towel. Yun lang. Beach towel. Yun lang.
So yan. Hindi minimalist, ano? Hindi ka rin minimalist, no?
Pati pa nga doon.
Oh, konti pa. Actually, mamaya, mamaya siguro, pag may time kami, papakita namin what's inside our luggage. May tagisa kaming, tawag dito, yung pang overhead. Anong tawag sa ganun? Yung 7 kilograms. Hand carry. May hand carry kami na luggage. Tapos meron pa kaming bag. Tapos meron kaming yung 20 kilogram na luggage din, which we shared our stuff, yung mga mabibigat na something. So pinagsama na lang namin yan. Dami kong daldal. So of course, what's inside my orange bag? Tell me you are a Leo without telling me you're a Leo. So ayan. So inside my bag ay yung aking kabit ko nga ito dito. Kabit naman pala eh. So yung aking sunglasses. Yeah. This is just a normal sunglasses which I got from Oho. Hindi mo na-explain kung saan mo nakuha yung mga stuff mo. Okay. And then I got my wallet. Ito, parang ano lang siya. Kumbaga sa attire, parang informal, rugged. Yan, pagka ganitong mga you don't need to bring any fancy whatever, ha?
We don't need.
And then my reading glasses. And then inside this orange pouch, takot na takot sa araw, meron akong sunblock. Sunblock Aqua from Lux Organics. And then sunblock, another sunblock. Ito kasi may mga white cast eh. Tapos ito, which I stole. So kay Princess to eh. And then ito yung face mists brush for a curly hair. Tapos moisturizer. Ito all in na to eh. So pwede ito sa face, pwede siya sa lips. I also have my BLK face blush. So that's inside. Those are the things inside my orange pouch. So yan, para organized siya. And then, tissue. May other phone. Ay, hindi ko dala yung lagayan. Then, yung face mist pa rin. To keep it, hydrated, yung inyong face. I also got my book, Dark Psychology. Yung sa kanya, patwitams yung mga binabasa niya. Ako mga ganito. Dark Psychology, whatever. And then, I got this. Kala ko kasi maliligo kami. So, meron akong mga beach bags dito na hindi mababasa yung mga things mo. And then, you got your, orange, syempre, orange, na, ano tawag sa ganito? Ano ito? Pashmita? Ano ba to? Panceta. Pag fashion, wala akong alam sa mga tawag-tawag na ganyan. Natatawag ko bang pagkain? Panceta is bacon. So that's basically everything I have inside my beach bag. So yan. So that's it, guys. Bye. Bye, princess.